Welcome to Feel Healthy, where ancient remedies meet modern science to help you get beautiful, strong, and healthy hair naturally. Have you ever stood in front of the mirror, watching your hairline slowly fade, wondering where did all that volume go? You try expensive oils, serums, and supplements, but the hair fall just won't stop. Here's a shocking truth most people don't know. Right finger hair loss doesn't start on your scalp, it starts inside your scalp cells. When your hair follicles stop getting proper blood flow and oxygen, they literally shrink, leading to bald patches and thinning. But here's the good news. Science now proves that rosemary, yes, the same simple herb from your kitchen, can stimulate those dead hair follicles back to life. Studies show rosemary increases scalp circulation just like minoxidil, a medical hair regrowth treatment, without any side effects. So today, let's start a 7 days rosemary hair challenge, where every single day, we'll mix rosemary water with one powerful natural ingredient to target a new hair problem, from hair fall to dandruff, frizz to baldness. Day 1. Rosemary plus onion juice, hair regrowth activation. Rosemary boosts scalp blood flow, while onion juice is rich in sulfur, the key mineral that rebuilds hair keratin. Together, they reactivate dormant follicles and speed up new hair growth. How to use. Boil 1 tablespoon rosemary leaves in 1 cup of water for 5 minutes. Cool, strain, and add 1 teaspoon onion juice plus 3 drops rosemary essential oil. Spray or massage into your scalp and leave for 30 minutes before rinsing. Result. Notice visible baby hair strands within a few days of consistent use. Day 2. Rosemary plus aloe vera gel, frizz and hydration therapy. Dry, frizzy hair means your scalp's moisture barrier is damaged. Aloe vera contains proteolytic enzymes that repair dead skin cells on the scalp. Combined with rosemary's anti-inflammatory power, this duo deeply hydrates and makes your hair soft and manageable. How to use. Mix rosemary water with 1 teaspoon fresh aloe vera gel and 3 drops rosemary essential oil. Massage it gently and leave for 1 hour before washing. Result. Softer, smoother strands with reduced breakage. Day 3. Rosemary plus coconut water, nourishment and shine. Coconut water is full of potassium and antioxidants, which restore hair's natural shine and elasticity. When blended with rosemary water, it creates a powerful tonic that revives dull, lifeless hair. How to use. Mix equal parts rosemary water and coconut water plus 3 drops rosemary essential oil. Spray it all over your hair and scalp daily. Result. Lightweight hydration and a glossy, healthy finish. Day 4. Rosemary plus fenugreek seeds, anti-dandruff and scalp detox. Dandruff and itchy scalp are signs of fungal buildup and poor scalp circulation. Fenugreek, rich in nicotinic acid and protein, strengthens hair roots and eliminates flakes. How to use. Soak 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds overnight. In the morning, strain the water and mix it with 2 tablespoons rosemary water and 3 drops rosemary essential oil. Apply to the scalp and roots for 30 minutes, then rinse. Result. Flake-free, nourished scalp and visibly thicker roots. Day 5. Rosemary plus castor oil, thickness and volume. Castor oil contains ricinoleic acid, which increases scalp blood flow and stimulates growth from the root level. Rosemary enhances this absorption, making your hair visibly denser and fuller. How to use. Mix 1/2 cup rosemary water with 1 teaspoon castor oil plus 3 drops rosemary essential oil. Massage it deeply, leave overnight, and wash next morning. Result. Stronger strands, reduced hair fall, and better density. Day 6. Rosemary plus black seeds, kalonji, hair fall solution. Black seeds are loaded with thymoquinone, a compound proven to fight inflammation and oxidative stress, 2 major causes of hair loss. When combined with rosemary, they form a natural, follicle repair system. How to use. Boil 1 teaspoon black seeds with rosemary leaves in 1 cup water for 5 minutes. Cool, strain, and add 3 drops rosemary essential oil. Use as a scalp spray or leave on tonic. Result. Noticeably less hair fall and stronger roots. Day 7. Rosemary plus rice water, long and silky hair. Rice water is rich in amino acids and inositol, which repair damaged cuticles and promote long, healthy hair. This final step seals the results of your entire challenge. How to use. Mix 1/2 cup rosemary water plus 1/2 cup fermented rice water plus 3 drops rosemary essential oil. Spray and leave for 30 minutes, then rinse. Result: shinier, smoother, and visibly longer hair after just 1 week. Every drop of rosemary water you used this week has been reactivating blood circulation in your scalp, the very foundation of hair regrowth. Science confirms, with consistent use, rosemary can boost hair density, increase thickness, and even reverse early-stage baldness. So, are you ready to take the 7 days rosemary hair challenge and watch your hair come back to life naturally? Don't forget to like, share, and comment below which day's remedy worked best for you, because this challenge might just be the one that transforms your hair forever. Thank you for watching.